Tim Follett. I'm the founder and CEO of StructureFlow. With StructureFlow, we're developing software for visually modeling legal structures and transactions. You can use StructureFlow to very quickly build up a visual model of a structure, taking components, dragging and dropping them onto a canvas and connecting them together. I am a corporate lawyer by background, and when I was in practice I used to think visually. I used to like creating diagrams to be able to work out what the relevant fact patterns were and what the relevant legal issues were. But the problem I had was that the current tooling that's available with PowerPoint and other drawing software was not designed for creating structures. So you spent a lot of time taking shapes, putting them onto a PowerPoint slide, trying to connect them together with lines and make the whole thing look good. But that took a lot of time and was very frustrating. And I thought to myself, well, there must be a better way here. So StructureFlow has three main functionality areas. The first of which is rapid diagramming. So the user is able to very quickly build up a diagram by taking a number of different components which represent particular types of entity, particular types of assets, drag and drop them onto a canvas area, and then start to connect them together with particular types of relationships, so ownership relationships, contractual relationships, and what we talk of as flows, so things moving throughout the structure. So that's the first area. The second area is the ability to connect through to data and documents. Now, diagrams are great, but they, by their very nature, are surface level. With StructureFlow, we allow you to be able to embed data and documents into the diagram. So you can click on particular components, that can then bring up data that is relevant to that component. You can link through to documents, and so you can use the diagram as a map in order to navigate data and document sets. The third benefit is the ability to reduce legal and financial risk. In practice, I've seen too often people confused around what is the most up-to-date, accurate version of a document. Diagrams are created in PowerPoint and then circulated by email to multiple stakeholders. And that can create confusion around, am I looking at the most up-to-date right version of this document? With StructureFlow, we remove that because we have a single source of truth. All the stakeholders on the transaction are looking at the same diagram and the same data set, which in turn reduces risk. And so StructureFlow is about ensuring that all stakeholders on the transaction are up to date, well informed, and are thinking together. StructureFlow is designed for lawyers and their clients. That might be lawyers within law firms and the clients that they're servicing in corporates and other organisations, or it may be also for lawyers who are part of in-house teams in those corporates and organisations. And the idea is that it can work in the context of that relationship between the client and the advisor, and the ability to allow those two parties to that relationship to be able to think and communicate visually together. If you are interested in StructureFlow, then please do go on our website. There's a section on there that enables you to register your interest, and as part of that you can request a demo. If you request a demo, we'll be in touch shortly, and we'd love to come and meet you in person and show you the software.